crafting a unique dining wooden table with natural stone base. Creating a stunning wooden floor lamp with sparkling leaf lights. Designing stylish mosaic wall art using wooden slats and mirrors. Hanging a wooden branch chandelier decorated with glowing pampas grass. Transforming a cement ball into a colorful garden bumblebee statue. Wooden tree stand holding cute plant pots made of coconuts. Building a rustic outdoor wooden bench next to a lake. Converting an old red double-decker bus into luxury home. Crafting a modern concrete planter using broken mirror mosaic pieces. Building a cozy aesthetic bed space using pallets.